Looking at this face, does it seem familiar to you? If yes, you get it right. If not, this is Evil-Lyn, the main character of today's video. Stick around till the end to see how I bring this powerful Evil-Lyn and the legendary Panthor, her purple guardian, to life. Okay, let's go. Before we begin, every like, subscribe and bell icon tap mean the world to me and keep it going. By the way, all the gear I use like paint, airbrushes, brushes and more is linked in the description below. If you're looking to buy them, clicking those links is a great way to support the channel, as we earn a small commission to keep things running and create more high quality content for you. Thanks a lot and let's get started. Starting as always, I 3D print all the parts using resin, then carry out the prep work to smooth the surfaces and connect the necessary joint to make the model as flawless as possible. Now, let's apply a coat of gray primer to all the parts before entering the official coloring stage. Here's the overall silhouette of our sources, Evil-Lyn after a test fit. Let's take a quick look together. The painting process will start from the bottom up. First is the rocky base. I will process and shade the color to make it look as polished and realistic as possible. Let's check it out. With the base complete, now it's time for her purple Panthor. I will skillfully combine pink and purple tone to create a smoothed, most gradient shift for Panthor wine fill textures. For Evil-Lyn skin, I choose a rosy, glamorous tone, but shade in a subtle hint of purple in the recess area to achieve absolute harmony with her outfit in the later step. Next up is the leg armor. A deep purple combined with dark iron tone on the metallic armor plate will be the primary color scheme of this section. After carefully masking up the finished skin area, we proceed to airbrush and hand paint the fine detail for the body shoe, the helmet, and the arm braces. Now, it's time to decorate her magic staff and the school details on her outfit to make her appearance look more sinister and mysterious than ever. Finally, I will finish the facial feature and apply a sharp makeup layer to make the face pop and bring out her fierce, powerful expression. Don't look away, the final masterpiece is coming up right now. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know what you think in the comment, and if you love this video, please hit like, subscribe and ring the bell for notifications on future video. Goodbye and see you in the next one.